Hello, students. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Students, welcome back to our IT section. Standard First, Chapter 7 Lab Manners. So, students, in the previous chapter, we had learned that computer is a machine and where do we use computers. So, today we are going to learn lab manners, that how we should behave in computer lab when we go to the computer lab. Student, this is a boy. He is saying good manners are necessary when we work in computer lab. So this girl says, "Oh, really? Please tell us about computer lab manners." So students should behave well in computer lab. So let us learn good manners to be followed in the computer lab. So just like a temple, we follow some rules. When we go to the temple, do not make noise in the temple. Yes, we put off our shoes outside the temple. That is the good manners of temple. Then when we go to the school, we wear uniform, neat and clean. That is the good manners of school. Likewise, when we go to the computer lab, we have to follow some rules, some manners. We should behave properly. So students, we all are to follow some do's and don'ts in computer lab. First of all, let us learn about the do's in a computer room. Always come to the computer lab from your classroom in an orderly queue and silently and on time. Enter the computer lab in a line in order to avoid a crowded situation. Then one should remove shoes outside the computer lab to keep it dust free. Take off shoes before entering the computer lab to maintain cleanliness. Remove your shoes outside the computer lab because it has dust. Next one, always be seated properly on the chair or while working on the computer. Always keep your back straight to while working on a computer. Always sit on the assigned seat according to the roll number. Work at your desks. Do not run around in the computer lab. Next one, keep a proper distance from the monitor to protect your eyes from strain. Otherwise, it is harmful for our eyes. Next one, press the keys on the keyboard gently. Hold the computer mouse properly. Keep your mouse on the mouse pad as it works smoothly on flat surface as compared to rough surface. Next one, if you are two or more people sharing one computer, then divide the timings to do the practical assignments. You should not fight for the computer. Next one, listen to your teacher. If you have any problem, then raise your hand and call the teacher. When we enter the computer lab, sit, wait, and follow the teacher's instructions. Next one, be sure your hands are clean. Do not touch your nose and mouth while using the computer. Next one, cover the computer with dust cover after use. Computer should be kept dust free, neat and clean. It should be covered properly when not in use. Next one, the computer should always be switched off when not in use to avoid consumption of electricity. Next one, turn off the lights and fan before leaving the computer lab. And last, always keep the lab clean. Understood? Students, let us now learn about don'ts of a computer. Do not touch any parts of the computer with wet hands. Next one, do not sit too close to the monitor as it harms your eyes. Next one, do not make noise in the computer lab. Next one, don't move the computer table as it may disturb the cable connections. Next one, do not eat or drink near the computer table. Never eat or drink anything on the computer table as food particles get inside the computer parts and it may damage the computer. Next one, do not hit the keys on the keyboard too hard. It may damage the computer. Next one, do not touch the monitor screen. Next, do not touch any wires or plugs. One may get an electric shock and it is very dangerous. Next one, do not play in the computer lab. It means do not run and play with friends. Do not move in the lab from one place to another. This is a bad manners. Next one, never cover the computer or its parts when it is in use as it generates heat. So students, this is a good manners of computer lab. So you must follow these lab manners when we go into the lab. So I hope everyone have understood this chapter lab manners. So students, tell me, we should take eatable things in the computer lab. Is it right? No. Very good. It is wrong. Next, we should not run in the computer lab. Is it right? Yes, very good. It is right. Next, we should not keep computer lab clean. Is it right? No, very good. It is wrong. Next, we should remove your shoes outside the computer lab. Is it right? Yes, very good. It is right. So students, I hope everyone have understood this chapter, lab manners. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.